Mm. There we go. Ooh, Lord. Mm. What's going on, sports fans? Decided to get up and run to the lake for a few hours. It's been a semi-productive day. If you're familiar with your lines of fishing, you got a shade line, a color line, thermocline, fishing line, right? Shade line and color line's kind of up there. It's not really a factor today. But what I've been doing is working these shady areas. With a green pumpkin stickworm. This one just happens to be a yum dinger. It's on a Gamakatsu skip gap hook, which works pretty good for shaky heads, basically. And got broke off 3 or 4 times in the timber, which is kind of the way that goes. Not a lot you can do with them if they get twisted up between a couple of trees. And it doesn't matter if you got braid or whatever. I mean, I can't get the boat back there. So I've been using fluoro so it would break. So I don't end up in a tight spot or a fish tied to a tree. But we did happened to get a hold of this girl right here. If I can get a hold of her, we will put her back in the water. Ooh. Come here, chick. I'm gonna put you back in the water, man. Come on. Don't bite me. God! Oh, I am soaked. The camera's soaked. This is hilarious. Boy, she's angry. We're trying to put you back in the water, chick. Come on. Ooh, I should have put a cold tag on her. She's roughly about 5 pounds. Look how skinny she is. I have some other guys over here. I don't know if you guys follow Fluke Master. Cool dude, Mr. Gene. He was out here. He caught a couple that were about this size, but boy, their bellies were fat. This one's a little skinny, and we're gonna let her go back where she's all nice and comfy. Okay. All right, chickie. Get one big last look at you. If I can reach out far enough, we're gonna put you over here. She's the only one that took a ride in the live well. There you go. Take off. This flat back up in here, it's got buck bass all over it. All the big girls are out here kind of staging 8-10 foot of water. They're all out here in the back, or excuse me, on the points coming into these pockets, getting ready to come up in here and do their thing. Because if you'll notice, water 61 degrees, and it's only 3 feet deep right here where we're at. Not much going on back in here. But when in doubt, get you a worm the appropriate color. Green pumpkin will always get you something. Find shady areas, like this is a bluff wall. If you'll notice, this is kind of flat over here. Even though there is a little trench, there's a big old hump out here that's probably knee deep. Over here, obviously from the terrain's a little deeper. There's a bunch of laydowns. She got a little shady area. I got her in the standing timber on the other side just a little while ago because the sun was coming up. That was the shady side. The few fish that have been caught out here have been in about 10 foot of water where it's darker. Because if you'll look, this water is kind of a green. It's kind of a green, but your green pumpkin will still you should still be able to see the green. Let's try this side. See, green pumpkin's still kind of dark. Probably can't see crap. Anyway, anywho. Typical fishing trip. I haven't been back here trying to mess with these little buck bass because right now you throw something at them and you see dirt trails. So been trying to pick up the big girls. Got that one. That's the best I can do today. I don't claim to come out here and catch fish every time, and nobody does. Everybody has bad days. Jason is in his kayak. He's around the corner over there. He's had about the same luck. He had a big fish, and I think one a little smaller. I may even put the photos of it in this video. But like, subscribe, share, ride along with us. We're just your average guys out here doing average fishing, nothing fancy. Y'all have a good day and go fish.